Okay, I'm just going to quickly show you how to set up the light, sunlight, and do a render. We've been saying that it's fine just to use screenshots, and that's fine if you want to do that, but some people wanted to learn how to do rendering, so we'll just go through the simple processes. The first thing I want to say is that if you're working in 3ds Max Design, it should be set up by default to work this way. If you're working in just vanilla 3D Studio Max, you might have to just go through this little step first, where we change to the mental ray renderer. So to do that, we go up to this icon up here, the render setup icon, which is like a teapot with a little dialog box next to it. Click on that, scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says assign renderer, and if it says default scanline renderer, click on that and set it to being mental ray renderer. Okay, and once it's done that, just close that box and we should be right to go. So to create a sunlight system, or daylight system I should say, we go to the create panel, all the way across here to systems on the far right, click on systems, you've got sunlight and daylight. We want daylight, so just click on daylight. Now the first thing it'll do is come up with this dialog box. It is recommended that you use MR photographic exposure control. Just say yes, and then we click and we drag out. It creates this compass rose for us. So this is just a reference for us, something for us to select. It won't render or anything, so just drag it out to a size that you're comfortable with, and then it creates a light, and we just drag that out and it just sort of pulls it up. So again, it doesn't matter where this is, it's just for your reference. So we'll just click there, zoom out a little bit, and you can see where it's sitting up there. So that's created our daylight system. We can now, from these parameters, set time of day and location. So first of all, let's get our location. We'll pull down this list and we'll go to Australia. We'll click on Melbourne, Australia, and then we'll say OK. And then we can set what time of day it is and what month it is. So let's put it into November, so we're getting a bit warmer, and we'll just put it 1st of November. And you can see now if we change these time of day, our shadows actually move around. So it's often good to set it for sort of afternoon or morning when you get sort of some interesting shadows. So let's set it for 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, if we just get out of there and just show you, if you want to get back to that dialog box, you click on your light and you go to your motion panel. It comes under your motion panel, right? So it's not modified motion. And then you get all those settings. You can change that again later. If we go to our modify panel, we get our parameters for that, the daylight parameters. I'm going to change these from the sunlight and skylight from being standard to being MR sun. That's mental ray and mental ray sky. And it'll come up with this question. You're creating an MR sky. It's recommended that you use MR physical sky environment map. Yes, we want to do that. So click yes. Okay, and you can see already in the viewport that we get this sort of bluish haze, or sort of bluish light, and that's the mental ray light working. So if we do a render now, we just go up to this teapot in the top right hand corner and click render production, and you can see we have a bit nicer shadows and a bit nicer looking rendering that sort of comes up. We could change the materials and things that would make it look a lot better, but for now I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to let you play around with that. If you want to change the size of the rendering, you can go back to your render setup dialog box, click on that, and in here we have width and height. So we could make it 800 by 600. Click on render. And then if you like your rendering, you can just save it from here. Just click on that disk button and just save it somewhere. Or you can set a place to save it under your render setup. So you've got render output, you can click on your files and set a place where it'll save it to. And that's all you need to do. And that's all you need to do.